Hello guys, back with another vlog for today. Today we're going to do some stuff on my poor car that's like leaking everything besides transmission fluid and power steering fluid and brake fluid. So I guess not everything. But there's an oil leak and a coolant leak and I'm going to try and take care of those. So the oil leak is kind of pretty bad. The coolant leak's bad enough that my radiator's not even full right now, but it's not overheating, so we're good. But I'm just going to the Honda TNT dealer to go pick up an O-ring to fix the oil leak. And then the coolant I'm going to deal with from my parts car that I have. I just need a radiator. The radiator is just cracked and leaking. I'll show you guys when we get over to Jordy's house because that's where we're going to do everything. So that's where my cars are. So yeah, I'm just going to head over to the TNT Honda dealer. Yeah, spend some money. A whole whopping $3 for this seal. Ooh, Honda dealer. So this is a little seal that I needed. It's a little distributor shaft seal. It just basically goes on the shaft of the distributor that goes inside of the engine. Stop the oil from coming out of the engine. And that is my problem. And I'll show you guys. And it's a mess. And now we're going to go get Michaela, and hopefully she doesn't flip off the camera this time. She's ready to go this time. Got no shit for her. Where is she? There she is.
Here and called you a faggot.
Hey, well, at least you didn't flip the camera off this time. You only told it to fuck off.
I told you to fuck off.
Oh, you can fuck off. Now to Jordy's house. Oh wait, Slurpees and shit. Yeah! Get out of my fucking way. I need my fucking Slurpees. Fucking Slurpees! Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe let's get Jordy's sour cherry.
Okay. I'm down.
Maybe some cream crush, but that's not really that sour, but oh well. Gee, what the?
I'm not picking it up. It's dirty now. Okay, I want grape because I'm black.
Wait, which one's mine?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Go for it.
Yeah, big one.
I want grape because I'm black on the inside.
This is gonna be, yeah, sensei reaction. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to cream, because cream is life.
Will you, Devon, will you fill up Jordy's sour cherry?
In a second. Doing this right now. Ha.
Slurpees! Wow! Yeah! Yay!
Jordy's! It rags! Ah! So we made it to the place. There's Jordy's amazing Buick. And then my other two Preludes. Yeah, Preludes. And Michaela looking so sad because she hates her life. And right now, we think Jordy's still sleeping, so we're probably going to go wake him up now. Let's go wake him up. What? Oh, I'm going to push you. Ah, doesn't it smell lovely?
I can't smell anything. I'm sick.
Oh, yeah. Into the deep abyss. Watch out for all the dog shit.
Oh my god, it stinks. Gross.
That's from their mom.
Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy. Hi, Shayla.
Yeah, he's asleep. Wait, I'm leaving my shoes on. Let's go wake up Jordy. Let's go wake up Jordy. Come on.
Come on, let's go get Jordy.
Let's go get him. Princess! Morning, Princess.
Really? We brought you a Slurpee.
Yeah. Look at Princess gets a Slurpee.
Yay!
Her dog.
I don't get the finish.
Look at, she's so excited. Go get Jordy. Go get Jordy. Go get him. No, go get him. Go wake him up. Go wake him up.
Go get Jordy.
Sam, come.
Yeah, there we go.
Lay down. Bedtime.
I don't think he cares. No, dog. Are you going to get dressed and meet us out there again?
Yeah.
Okay. Chris is coming too, by the way.
Okay.
Him and his fucking gay lewd.
Yeah, so we'll have 4 gay lewds here.
Oh, wow.
So many gay roots.
Hey, Salem, want to come outside?
And then-
Let's go.
And then we'll have gay Regals too, and gay Buicks and gay Hondas.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you outside in like 5 minutes. Oh yeah, the Nissan. So nice. Here we are outside on the driveway of gloriness with all the cars and Jordy and a Michaela. Hiya, Michaela. Sucking on the fingers. But so I said I'll show you guys what's going on, but yeah, that's what's going on. All the white shit is all coolant. And when you get close enough to the rad, you can see all the cracks in the rad. It also leaks on the bottom, and it's just a fucking mess. Plus the sprat's already broken. It's also cooled down because it's freaking hot. Hey, Jordy. And then I'm gonna fix that oil leak because yeah, it's everywhere.
You're fixing it today?
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it today. It takes like 2 seconds.
Actually?
Yeah. I just have to pop that off.
Pop it.
Lock it. And that's the.
Whoop.
Oh yeah, pop it.
Stop! Don't
Pop it,
film,
pop it,
don't
pop
film
it.
my butt.
But there's the donor radiator out of the donor car. I also have to get those headers off at some
The
point.
fuck? Jordy, what the fuck?
Making racing headers.
Like that?
Hey.
Don't you have Megan
But-
racing headers in your car?
No,
Why aren't you gonna put
they're
those
stuck.
in your car?
They're stuck.
Put those in your car.
They're stuck.
Put those in your car.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Okay.
That's part of why he got the car.
I swear half the time you don't even listen to me. Fuck off. Rape. Bless. But yeah, there's only like a little bit of a dent on the rad. All that shit on the rad is actually not radiator fluid, it's power steering fluid. Because the power steering cooler is absolutely mush there and there, and
Make it
it's
move.
all over the place.
Move.
What are you doing?
You're gonna honk the car.
It's not going to do anything.
The battery's sitting over on the floor.
Gee, where's the battery? Where's the battery? Oh, there's a battery!
I like the horn.
You should really put your hair back to blonde.
That was
Be up your prelude.
But my buddy Chris should be here soon, so yeah, we're going
I'm
to
gonna
get.
steal your prelude and grind every fucking gear in that tranny.
Can't grind a tranny if there is no tranny.
Yeah, grind that tranny.
You're the only tranny here that's going to get grind. Oh!
You're an asshole.
But yeah, so we're going to start work on this shit.
Fuck,
And
Chris
that
is
shit.
nicer than you some days.
Never said it was nice.
That's true.
Yeah. You have to have a dick to be nice.
Look at all the gunk on the inside. Ooh. That's all like from the coolant leaking.
Juicy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There's like. There's no coolant in it. There's like a little. Not enough to spray it from the hose.
Yeah. That's not a good thing.
Yeah. So
Do you want-
we're at the car wash. Yeah, car wash.
What do you want?
Just put soap. Put... But we're just at the car wash. Yeah, it's just on soap. Finally given my car a wash. I haven't washed it probably since September or October, so.
Yeah. I want it. Is it this one?
Yeah. Have fun. Look out! Get her all nice and lathered. Hi, Jordy. Hi, Michaela. Hi, Jordy. Hi, Michaela. And then after this, we are going to go down to Barlow to go meet up with some people. It's not really a busy night, but we're just going to go down and meet some people. Oh yeah, look at how dirty that is. No! No! Oh my God! It's a magnet.
Shit being so gay.
What?
What? I want to golf. Can I take it? I'm gonna vlog.
Sure, go vlog.
Hey guys, Kyle Thomas here. Today I'm gonna be racing another golf.
And you're gonna lose.
My friends are mean to me. Makes me want to cry.
I'm gonna just cut myself.
Who can say where the rose goes?
Cut that out.
No.
Edited. Here. Hey, do you have the ability to beep stuff out? Do you have the ability to beep stuff out?
Why?
Here.
I don't know if I beep at her,
No.
she jumps.
Do you?
Does that count?
No. He's just shy because it's.
Devin, what
Volkswagen
cylinder's
sucks.
dead in the Maxima?
2.
2?
2 cylinder.
Mine's turbo.
Your car's not turboed.
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
You blowing your exhaust pipe doesn't mean it's
if you blow
boosted.
on it, does it make the sound?
The block.
So we're on a secret road in Cuba here, and we got us 2 Volkswagen here's, and we got Rod knocking Volkswagen versus a fine Volkswagen. So this should be good. Oh yeah, here. What's going on? Oh. Come on, Marcel. You're gonna do it. Have fun. I think it stopped knocking. I don't hear it knocking now. Maybe the connecting rod fully let loose just inside the engine. I got the couch is still over
I
there.
like how you're recording with the fucking potato chip, whatever the fuck that is.
GoPro, bitch.
It's not a GoPro, it's a Go Amateur.
It's GoPro.
You cheating on me with a guy?
Yes, he
Another guy.
It's not cheating. It's a bromance.
I'm actually not a guy either.
Oh, that
you're
explains a
smooth.
lot.
Jordy is my side hoe and Chris is my main guy hoe.
What am I?
A bitch, that's what.
You're my
Fuck up.
you're my female.
Oh, I hope this guy read the input.
Stop.
Oh, who's coming? Who's coming? I don't hear a knock.
Marcel. I'm gonna bug Marcel to let me drive his car.
Who won? Kyle won?
2 cars. Did you win?
Woo! I guess Rod knock does affect your car. Who knew science experiments? Oh,
Oh god, Rodnock, I don't want to
Okay,
we should get him to do a burnout.
Careful, get a shield, you might get hit by a connecting rod.
Don't worry, it's not a Mustang. Well, the rod knocking one's over there. Let's go listen to this thing. Oh yeah. Dude, give it some revs. Redline that fucker.
Just keep going.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I'm surprised that he blew up.
You need to do more racing in it.
Here, let me see if I can find
Racing
a
Buick.
Race the Buick. I'm driving it for racing.
So yeah, we're gonna try and blow this car up. Let's try and blow the Volkswagen up, right, David? Let's blow it up.
Why not?
Let's blow this fucker up.
Why not? Just pops up and takes a shit everywhere and there's Skittles all over the place.
Stop.
Did you fucking imagine?
You'd probably lock it in your closet.
Dude, I would
I
just
like how it
fuck
tells you
it.
to drive safely.
Yeah. Well, because it's
Drive safely. Put it in sport mode and race a police officer.
Oh, dude, that reminds me. I got the shit scared out of me today. As I was fucking coming home from work.
the screen.
I was going down the back road and I was doing about
Stupid.
40 over the speed limit.
Again.
And a fucking cop comes this way. I see him stop to turn around, so I just fucking put it down a couple gears and fucking pinned it. I'm like, fuck this shit, I'm out of here. And I just took every fucking turn. I took the most sophisticated way home. I didn't see him since. So he didn't get my plate.
Yeah, there's no way he would have been able to get your plate.
So fuck it.
But we dropped off Kayla McNutsack Dick.
It's all about
Turn your music down!
music mix. Soft Rock 97.
Did I scare you?
Hi. I hate you.
But yeah, we dropped her off and then we got McDonald's. Well, Corley got McDonald's. Now we're going back to Barlow because she has us as hostage.
Yeah.
Hey, Jordy.
Literally, I could take you wherever the fuck I want.
Do
so
it.
Are we going back?
I don't know. That is the
Car's
question.
broken
Dude, can we please? Dude, Coralie, can we please drive by Jaden's house so I can throw something at it?
Yeah, please.
Because I'm an asshole.
He's an asshole.
Yo. Now that was a burnout. But that's it for this video, for today's vlog. Ended up with a burnout. Booyah. Until next time, see you guys.